in the court of law.
Riwruok makedo ne ratich jonyuol ma nyithindgi ong'ol mopogore opogore thurka NCPCDK dwaro ni sirkal kokadho e migawo mar nyithindo mondo ondik jogo mong'ol e chenro mar thieth mar SHA kaka yor yudo thieth makare. Koloso bure Nairobi, jagoro mar riwruogno Ibrahim Adan Ibrahim owacho ni thoth nyithindo mong'ol thoro kale rem mar thieth malong'o ka bende paro ochwal e yor konyo nyuolgi dwe ka dwe mabiro bang' jatend migawo mar somo Julius Ogamba keto ayanga okenge mag sirkal bero ngimagi.
Disability is not inability, but a lack of access to the right tools can convert potential into frustration. This is a significant step towards ensuring that our support follows the learner wherever they are. Inclusion should never depend on the type of the institution that the learner attends.
Many families continue to struggle to access essential health care, therapy, assistive device, and medication, diaper, and transport, and inclusive education. We propose that unemployed caregiver providing full-time care for the children with disability receive monthly caregiving support stipend of 15,000.
We ask or request for some reliefs. One of them is that let there be free medical services for persons, caregivers and parents of children with disabilities.